Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the different ways you can publish your form for people to use and to respond to. So you've got your Google form. Look for the giant button in the upper right-hand corner that says Send. If you click on that, a pop-up will open, and you're going to have a number of different options here. The first one you'll be presented with is, do you want to automatically collect respondents' emails? That will help you maybe deal with responses later and so on and so forth. If you don't want to, and then you have the option send via, so you can send via email. Right? So if you want to send by email, simply add somebody's email address or a group name, specify the subject of the email, and you can write a message for the email that everyone will see. You can include the form in the email, or they'll just be provided with a link to the form. You can even determine if any of these recipients should be added as editors to your form. Or you can just grab a link for the form without sending the actual form itself. This would be like the full length, the URL. If you want to shorten that URL, you can shorten it automatically. Or you can get an embed code. So if you're putting this form into a website that allows embedding of other content, you can generate the embed code here. You can specify the width and the height for this form. And then you can also share via Facebook or Twitter if that interests you as well. There's a number of different ways you can publish your form for people to respond to, all of which come from hitting on this big blue send button in the upper right-hand corner.